see what I see? The sun peeking through the clouds. Will it bring us dryness and warmth? Will it bring us dryness and warmth? Unfortunately, it didn't. It still brought rain and a flooded basement.
Raindrops fall, they won't go away. Steady rhythm, quiet song, as the world outside keeps moving on.
Oh my goodness, my basement is flooded. It probably tripped the breaker. I'm not going out there and getting electrocuted.
I'm in the water.
Whoa.
Rain is falling, pouring down like tears from the sky. The river's rising, flooding all the streets where we used to play. The water's taking over, washing away our memories. In this storm, I'm drowning. I'm breaking limits, I'm effective. I don't need your sharp advice. I'm not the passenger you want me to be. My feet are moving at breakneck speed. And even if you don't believe in me, I'm I can feel it in the air. Miracles are everywhere. Tell me how's it feel to see me walking on water now. Left me hanging upside down. You always know.
This floor is actually really slick. One wrong move and I will be flat on my butt. That's why I'm walking like a penguin or a duck or whatever. Anyway, I'm trying to get as much of this stuff out that I can. This little stuff I'm not filing a claim on. There was a lot of cardboard boxes that had contained some non-sentimental Christmas decor that I hadn't gotten put up yet. Some paper products. I just went ahead and tossed them. A couple of the area rugs I just tossed. It's just not worth holding on to for the inspector to come out and look at. Plus the musty, yucky smell that all this water and wet carpet and everything else was leaving. I just wanted it out of the basement. So I just went ahead and tossed it. I told him I did toss it. I did take pictures. We're trying to look at the positive side of all this. At least we get the basement cleaned out again. It's the thought about becoming minimalists is really sounding like a good idea. So I think given this opportunity, we're going to go through everything downstairs and start either donating, maybe have a yard sale, and some stuff just trash. If our kids don't want anything, then yeah, I think that's what we'll do. But until then, it'll take a couple days to get all this done. We've got the people coming over and they're going to be bringing some of those big dehumidifiers and a few fans to mainly get the concrete out. I'm just so glad that we didn't go with the idea we had about finishing off the basement, and that would have been a real disaster with the drywall, carpet, and all that fun stuff. So, needless to say, the basement's going to stay unfinished, but that's okay.
Don't give up, hold on tight, give it time, it'll be alright. Don't give in, just keep walking, it doesn't have to make much sense. Oh, this battle's just a season in your life, so don't give up your fight. So I take one foot and I put it in front of the other. Take another step and it gets me a little bit closer to the unknown plans that you have for me. In my heart I know I'll see a victory, so I turn to you. You say don't give up, just hold on tight, give it time, it'll be alright. Don't give in, just keep walking, it doesn't have to make much sense. Oh, this battle's just a season in your life, so don't give up your fight. Hey, so I'm putting on my armor every day. Standing here, you'll show me the way, and we'll trust it.
Get all this stuff bagged up and taken out front for the trash company to come and pick it up. I'm just thankful that there was little loss and not much damage. An easy fix. Thankful for that. Getting off track here, I saw this recipe that I definitely want to try, and I'll try it with you guys. I doubt it'll be in this video. It'll probably be in the next video. I'll take you with me to get the ingredients. It is onion slices. Well, it's actually like an onion ring, and inside it is stuffed with cream cheese, jalapeno, a couple other spices, and then it is breaded and fried. Breaded with panko breadcrumbs and then fried. They have like instructions to fry it, air fry, or bake in the oven. Personally, I like fried, but who knows? Maybe I'll make enough that I can try all three and decide which I like best. I think what I'll do after this project is completed is to start cleaning out my shed. I call it my she shed because that's where I keep all my tools and stuff. I don't know. It's not decorated like a she shed. It's just a regular shed, but I have this cute little sign I saw that says she shed. So it's a she shed. It's my shed. It does its job. So I think maybe that'll be the next task that needs to be taken care of. We have a community yard sale coming up the end of the month. My mom's having a yard sale the end of the month. So this would also be a good time for me to go through stuff and help get rid of stuff to sell at the yard sale, donate, trash, whatever. Just try and minimalize. Do I think I can do it? Yeah, I think I can. Okay, so all the fans and the big humidifiers are gone. I just need to find somebody to come and take down the pool table to get rid of it because the bottom feet had gotten wet. So yeah, that's about it. Now just to get my basement back in order. But of course, I went to turn my AC on today and it's making this really weird noise. So now I gotta figure out what's wrong with that. I tell you, when it rains, it pours. And it literally pours when it rains. All right, gotta look at the positive and everything, right? Right. Well, you all have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, like, comment, and to my grandkids, I love you, and I will see you soon.